Where's my watch? Damn. I don't know.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
You! Who told you to come here? Eh? Do you want to see my naked?
No.
Eh? You want to show where you come from? Come see.
No, I'm just
you.
hungry.
I will show you where you come from. Stupid boy. Hey, where is my man? Like I don't change my hand paint. I don't want this boy see my money. Hey. Okay, that's cool. You stupid boy.
My dad give me nothing to eat. If I ask him money, he say he don't have money and he say I'm not his son. But every time he see me with the food, he come there and beg me to give him food. I will put some tea in this food.
I'm so hungry. Food. Dema!
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Stop it.
Hey. Jesus. My stomach. Hey. Oh.
Oh, this thing is doing like this. So, what is this boy doing over there? Oh my God. Yeah! This boy is good. He only served me. Oh my God.
Daddy. Who told you to eat this food?
What do you mean? This is my friend's house. I can eat anytime I want.
Come here, my dad is not cooking. Go inside. Go and check.
What happened?
Go and check. It's not okay.
My friend.
What is this?
You said it's a witch. This is not normal.
Melody, what's happened?
You are telling us what happened.
Yeah, what happened? I asked you what happened.
Did you see what you did in that room?
What?
It's like an army. Boom. Hey. I think I have to leave this house. There is a spirit of army here in this house. I have to leave.
I eat something bad.
Oh. So you eat something bad, eh? You eat bad food.
Yeah, I think.
That's why you are doing army thing, eh?
Food.
Wow.
I think it's that, man. Yeah, I think it's that.
Hey! My stomach!
Hey!
Jesus Christ,
What happened?
Oh my God!
Hey!
Hey!
My stomach, eh? Go call the ambulance.
If you go to somebody's house, if you see food,
Hey.
do not eat it.
I think it's this boy who prepare bad food. Eh? I will kill you.
Hey, my God! God!
Sorry.
This is a
Sorry.
nuclear bomb.
Sorry, bro.
I'm dying.